Hey, good morning, guys. This is Ursula, the Harvey Container Gardener. Y'all, it is bright and early in the morning. The sun has not quite come up yet. So, your girl is out here early trying to get a harvest done. I hope you guys have a wonderful, awesome, beautiful day today. Y'all, between the rain and the heat, I don't know which is worst. I don't know, because we need both of them, right? We need both of them to have a successful garden. We need the rain, we need the heat. But y'all, we have been getting excessive rain, and then when it's not raining, we have been getting that excessive heat. So your girl got to do what your girl got to do. I mean, getting out here early and getting my stuff done. I try to water early in the morning so that I'm not out midday trying to water during all of this heat. And I'm also hearing my neighbor is back cutting his grass. So we're gonna get this potato harvest done early. So just a little information on it. We have 4 bags of grow bags that we're gonna be harvesting from. 3 of them should be ready. So I want to say I planted them maybe the beginning of February. So we are now almost at the end of May. By the time you see the video, it might be June. But yeah, I think those 3 bags were ready. They were already dying back before the daily constant rain came. So those will be harvested. But I also have one other bag that was planted more recently, and all of the stems just died back. I think it was too much of water. And if you know, you know, potatoes sitting in, soggy, wet, moist soil, they will be more like mashed potatoes or disintegrate altogether into the. We're about to get to it, y'all. All right, y'all. So I won't be doing much talking. My AC has come on and it's very loud, so you probably won't be able to hear me over that anyway. But we about to get started. We about to see what we were able to grow in these grow bags. So yeah, hang tight. Okay, y'all. I'm definitely hiding from the sun. Okay, y'all. So we have finished this harvest. Y'all, a harvest is a harvest. Now, I have to say that last bag, which was the seed potatoes. Oh, let me get out the sun. The seed potatoes, they seem to have been doing a lot better. So I think if they had the opportunity to stay in the bag longer, I think they would have done really, really well. I just think they came up a little bit too soon. So, um, with that said, I still can't determine whether the seed potatoes or the store-bought potatoes are the best potatoes to use. Uh, yeah, a little disappointing for me, but you know what, y'all? I still got a harvest, and I still have 3 bags that's back there that's still growing. They haven't died out. Some of the leaves might have died out, but for the most part, they're still going strong. So hopefully, if the rain doesn't, continue with that daily cycle of rain and they get to grow, I may have a fantastic harvest over there. But yeah, this is my harvest. All right, y'all. So those little potatoes that I harvested, they may not be big enough to cook, but they're big enough to put in a crawfish boil. Well, a shrimp boil. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Thank you, baby. All right, y'all. So this is what you do when life gives you small potatoes. So the saying is, when life gives you lemons. But what I say is, you take that lemon, you cut it in half, you squeeze that lemon juice into a pot with some water, you add all of your sausages, your corn, your potatoes, bell peppers, onions, celery, boil that, and then you add your shrimp. So when life gives you lemons, yeah, make the best of it, y'all. Just make the best of it. So, yep, I'm going to enjoy this. And I'm going to enjoy my potato. All right, y'all. I wish I could share this with y'all, but I can't. But I'm definitely going to enjoy this. Y'all have a wonderful day. Y'all stay safe. And y'all be blessed. I will talk to y'all later.